Want to use Klarna's Pay in 4 or financing at any store that accepts Visa, even if they're not a direct partner? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Klarna Virtual Card. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The Klarna Virtual Card is a digital Visa card that lets you shop anywhere online and split the cost. It's your key to universal Klarna flexibility. Open the Klarna app and go to the Card tab. If you're eligible, you'll see your virtual card with a unique card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. When shopping at any online store, proceed to checkout as usual. At the payment step, choose to pay with a credit or debit card. Manually enter the details from your Klarna virtual card. The store will process it like a normal Visa transaction, and Klarna will split the total into your chosen payment plan. A crucial pro tip: the virtual card is for a single use and for the exact amount of your purchase. If your cart total changes, you'll need to generate a new virtual card number. Always double-check your cart total before using the card to avoid declined transactions. And just like that, you can use Klarna at millions of online stores. The virtual card breaks down the walls of where you can shop with flexibility. What's a store you love that doesn't directly support Klarna, where you'd use the virtual card? Tell us in the comments. To activate your physical card, subscribe for our next video on how to activate your Klarna card. Thanks for watching.